Let's talk about the real backbone of industry, massive, high-pressure systems that keep our world running. Astracore Dynamics is an EPC company, engineering, procurement and construction, handling everything from concept to completion. Their mission? Engineering excellence with no shortcuts. In industries like energy, pharmaceuticals and manufacturing, a single mistake can be catastrophic. Astracore delivers safe, reliable solutions where failure isn't an option. They build the boilers, piping and tanks that power entire operations, turning chaos into order. Their work keeps the lights on, the medicine flowing and the energy moving. It's tough, essential work, and Astracore wouldn't have it any other way. These are the experts you call when you need the job done right. So what does Astracore actually build? Industrial boilers, custom process piping, pressure vessels and storage tanks, each engineered for strength and safety. They blend old-school craftsmanship with cutting-edge tech, integrating digital controls and SCADA systems for smart, efficient operations. Only top-tier materials make the cut: carbon steel, stainless, and specialized alloys. Every weld is inspected, every system tested, and every component documented. Astracore delivers turnkey solutions. Everything works together, from the boiler to the controls. No piecing together from different vendors, just one team, one vision. The result? Smarter, safer, and more reliable industrial systems. That's the Astracore difference. Astracore's strength is its in-house team. Engineers, designers, and craftspeople obsessed with quality. They use advanced modeling to solve problems before fabrication even begins. Designers and builders work side by side, ensuring seamless communication and smarter solutions. In their state-of-the-art facility, skilled welders and fabricators turn blueprints into reality. Rigorous quality control at every step guarantees every component meets the highest standards. Field crews handle installations safely and efficiently, minimizing client downtime. From concept to commissioning, Astracore manages every detail with precision. That's how they deliver excellence, every time. Astracore's track record speaks for itself, trusted by oil and gas, pharmaceuticals and renewables. They've delivered robust, sterile and efficient systems for the most demanding clients. Take a pharma client. Astracore upgraded their steam network without disrupting production, thanks to meticulous planning and off-site fabrication. They're more than contractors. They're partners, invested in every project's success. Astracore listens, collaborates, and builds lasting relationships. Clients know they can count on Astracore for quality, safety, and reliability. In a world of talkers, Astracore are the doers. For high-stakes engineering, Astracore Dynamics is the partner you want.